It's 11 o'clock at night, you're ready for bed, but you have to do one more thing before you can go to sleep, and it's putting on a duvet cover. But you put it off until last minute because of the struggle, the hassle, how difficult it can be, and you don't like wrestling with a piece of fabric at 11 o'clock at night. So I'm going to show you the easiest way to put on a duvet cover. Your duvet insert is going to be on the bed first with the hoops, loops, fastener facing up. Then you are going to put your duvet cover inside out with the opening at the bottom. Line up the corners so the strings are with the hoops, string with the hoop on the left side and the right side. You're going to fasten, tie, double knot each corner only at the top. So double knot, go over to the other side, double knot. Only the top. Once that is done, you're going to go to the base of the bed, and with it inside out, you're going to take your hand. Do not fasten that bottom one. You're going to keep it open and bring your hand to that corner. And with the hand that you have inside the duvet cover, this is my left hand, I'm going to grab that knot I made with my left hand. With my right hand, I'm going to flip the cover. Now, you're going to go to the other side and do the same thing. Right hand, grab, and with my left hand, bring the whole cover, grab, and flip. So then, this part of the cover is on. Now I'm going to take the top and just billow it. Take the top and just, fluff it, shake it. Do that. Now you're gonna go down to the end, find the string, find the hoop, and double knot. And then you go the other side. Find the hoop, the loop, the fastener, and your strings, and connect. And now your duvet cover's on. No stress. If you have a zipper, zip it. If you have buttons, button it. I found a little hack with the buttons. Instead of going in and out, you can see the buttons. Go the other way. And then your button will be hidden and it'll be seamless and pretty. And then it's time for